Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert an image into a circle shape in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that convert an image into circle shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Now choose from the drawing option. Then click for the image option. Now click for browse option. Then open the file. Then choose an image. Now for click. Then open. Then issue insert from image. This image convert from circle shape. Now going to the marks image option. Then click for the shape option. Now click for the circle oblique oval image option. That's it. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then we show convert an image into circle shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.